If your acne is finally gone, but the marks are still there, the dark spots, the texture, uneven skin, and nothing you're using seems to fade them, it might not be what you're using, it could be how your skin is healing. So today we're talking about how to actually heal acne scars naturally and what could be keeping your skin stuck. And make sure you stick around to the end because I've got a freebie for you that's going to help you start fixing this right away. So this is where so many women get frustrated because you finally clear your breakouts, but you're left with dark spots, with texture, uneven skin, and uneven tones. And so you start trying everything: the acids, the peels, brightening products, everything that promises to resurface your skin. But instead, your skin gets irritated, more sensitive, or it just doesn't really change. And this is where I want you to look at this differently, because what you are seeing might not even be true scarring. My name is Nikki Matias, and I'm a paramedical and cosmetic tattoo artist, and I have spent years working on real faces and helping people just like you heal their skin naturally and understand what it really needs to thrive without the toxins, confusion, or 10-step routine. And I'm not a doctor, but I've worked on hundreds of faces and I've seen what actually helps skin and I know what keeps it stuck. But I always suggest that you seek medical advice before making any changes in your routine, especially if something deeper is going on. And if you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss what actually works. Okay, so let's break this down simply. Not everything you think is a scar is actually a scar. A lot of what you're seeing is hyperpigmentation, which is just your skin's responses to the injury from the acne. It leaves behind those dark spots, but the skin itself isn't permanently damaged. So that's good. And it's really important to understand because pigmentation can fade. Now, true acne scars are different. That's where there's actual change in the texture of skin. Indentations, uneven skin surface, that's structural. And that's where your approach needs to shift. And then there's the middle ground where your skin is still inflamed. Your barrier is actually compromised and it's just not healing properly. So before you try to fix anything, you need to calm your skin, reduce inflammation, put hydration back into your skin, because skin that's inflamed cannot heal properly. Then I want you to target that pigmentation. If what you're dealing with is dark spots, this is where I use my hot spot treatment because it contains ingredients like alpha-albutin, tranexamic acid, and kojic acid, which all works as melanin inhibitors. So over time, they help lighten those dark spots without damaging your skin. And then lastly, you have to support your skin because healing always comes before correcting. This is where I go in with something like my Skin Revival Serum to help restore your skin barrier so your skin can actually start to repair itself. Now, let's go a little bit deeper because if you're dealing with actual acne scarring, this is where we need to shift how we think and how healing actually happens. Your skin heals in phases, and when there's texture, indentation, or uneven surfaces, that mean that the structure of your skin has been affected. So this isn't just about products anymore. This is where actual treatment comes in. And one of the most effective things that I have seen is microneedling. And microneedling works by creating controlled injury in the skin, which stimulates collagen production and helps your skin rebuild itself over time. So instead of just sitting on the surface, you're actually encouraging your skin to regenerate from within, from the bottom up. Now, there's two ways to approach this, and one of them is at-home microneedling. You can use something that's like a microneedling stamp at home, and this is a great option if you're consistent, if you're gentle, and you're not overdoing it, and you're keeping it sterile and clean. This is not about going aggressive. This is about consistency over time, supporting your skin, not damaging it. Now, my most favorite suggestion is always going to be professional microneedling. And there's professional treatments. This is where you're going to go deeper, you're getting more targeted results, and you're working on those deeper scars. But here's the part that most people miss is that microneedling without proper skincare will only get you so far. If your skin barrier is compromised, if your skin is inflamed, if you're not supporting your skin in between treatments, you're not going to get the results that you want. So whether you're doing this at home or you're going Deeper with treatments with an esthetician, you still need to calm your skin, hydrate your skin, and repair your barrier. Those three things are essential because your skin can only rebuild if it's in a healthy environment. So instead of trying to force your skin to heal, you need to shift and think about supporting it, calming it, hydrating it, and then repairing it. Then target what's actually there and don't try to fix everything at once. This is a step, one step at a time. Pick one problem and work on that one step at that time because your skin knows how to heal. It just needs the right environment to do it. And if you're sitting there and you're thinking, okay, but how do I know if I'm dealing with scarring or just pigmentation? That's a great question. Go watch my video on 5 hidden signs if my skin barrier is damaged, and that's going to help you understand what your skin is actually telling you. And if you want help figuring out what your skin actually needs, here's your freebie. Grab my free skincare guide. You can scan the QR code or you can click the link below. And when you grab it, I'm also going to send you my guide on treating dark spots with a 50% off code for the skin snapshot with me. So we can actually sit down, look at your skin together, and get you on the right path. And this has helped. Make sure to like and subscribe because I'm going to keep breaking this down in ways that actually make sense in more videos. Your skin isn't stuck. It just needs the right support. And your skin is always going to be your billboard to your health. And when you start giving it what it actually needs, that's when everything starts to shift because aging gracefully begins with truth and a little rebellion.